yo, my guys, welcome back to another video. And today, my good friend Ace2B gave me a genius idea, and that was to react to EAS alarms from different countries. So, let's get started. To start it off, we have the US, my country. So yeah, let's get into it. There's no way this is our ES alarm, bro. Bro, no, that's like 4 out of 10. Next up, we got Russia, so... Huh? That sounds like Siren Head, bro. Nah, bro. It's not bad. I'd say probably like... It's a bit creepy. I'd say 5. Next, we have China's alarm, so let's hear it. What? This is creepy. No. Let's see. What the fuck? That's a 2 out of 10, bro. Next up, we have Egypt. I heard they have a really bad ES alarm. EAS alarm. I keep saying ES, my bad. Anyways, let's see it. Huh? It's not as bad as... Never mind. What the fuck? No. -1 billion out of 10. Next up, we have the Israeli EAS alarm. So let's hear it. Whoa. Nah, bro. This seems like we're in the freaking suicide forest in Japan, bro. Nah, that's creepy. I don't want to hear that. No, if that's my real EAS alarm, I'm leaving. I'm leaving Israel. No. -10 out of 10. Now we have Australia. That's a bit creepy. Yeah. It's a bit annoying. Huh? 3 out of 10. Next we have Tuvalu. Oh, this is actually a vibe. This sounds like the Brooklyn Blood Pop, bro. Wow. Yeah, probably a 10. 10 out of 10. First one of the video. See, that's the Brooklyn Blood Pop, bro. It's good, though. Anyways, moving on to the next one. Moving on to New Zealand. What the hell? Bro, that's annoying. That's a 1 out of 10. Now we are going to be doing something different. We are going to be reacting to the Soviet Union EAS alarm. So let's get into it. Okay, but for real, let's get into it. What the heck? What the heck? No, this is creepy. This is so creepy, bro. Let's see, that is a 2 out of 10. To wrap it all up, we got the Canadian EAS alarm. This is... No. Probably like 4 out of 10. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Make sure to smash like, subscribe, all that crap, and we will see y'all in the next video.